To speed up the cleaning process, the data was first classified for ground and low vegetation, and the remaining points were grouped. Grouping typically isolates artifacts to their own groups and makes it easy to classify them to their own class by just hovering the mouse over those groups and keeping the selection active. Selections can be made in three ways: highlight, hide, and remove. In highlight mode, the selected groups are highlighted, but they are still visible. In hide mode, the selected groups simply disappear and also let the cursor see the area below them, a very handy feature for cleaning artifacts. In remove mode, only the selected groups are shown, and if one selects a group in this mode, they will be deselected, which is useful for correcting selection errors. The radius of the selection cursor can be adjusted according to the task. In addition to just selecting the groups, one can also trim them if the grouping has failed to separate artifacts from the real objects. The trimming uses the same three-mode logic, but here, the cursor size is more important, since it directly determines the resolution of the trim. Near the end of the video, a quick clipping function is demonstrated. The data after the user-defined clipping plane is no longer visible, and sometimes this makes it easier to collect all the required groups into the selection set.